Happy summer, my upper school family. I know at different points throughout this school year, it was hard to believe that the summer would ever get here, but it is finally here. It has not been the year that we all dreamed and hoped for when school began last August, but we all persevered and we have all made it to the finish line. Congratulations to you all. However, it is not lost on me that as we begin to celebrate the end of the school year and as we enter into the season of summer, we are entering this time with our country and our community hurting and grieving. As Mr. Hansen mentioned in his devotional this morning, this is a difficult time. It is hard to watch the images on the TV screen of what has happened in Georgia and what is currently happening in Minnesota. I know this brings many of us back to the racial issues we faced as a community earlier this year. We continue to grieve the hurt that so many in our community experienced that stemmed from the inappropriate posts and in the resulting firestorm of emotion. And we continue to look in the mirror and see the hard work we must do to ensure all students are loved and respected. While I am not in a position to have a direct influence on events outside of our community, I do have the opportunity to influence the culture within our school. I want to let you know that as your new principal, I will work tirelessly with Mr. Kempton, our upper school leadership, and other members of our community to make AACS a place that is safe, a place where all are loved and respected, and a place that models God's love to others. I would not be true to myself if I told you that this process of reconciliation and recovery from everything that 2020 has brought is going to be quick or easy. What I can tell you is that the recovery on all fronts will happen and will be a major focus in the coming months and years. AACS is committed to being a community where racism will not be tolerated and where we choose to respect the image of God in each person and reflect that image in our own choices and actions to the best of our ability. I will work hard with and in partnership with our entire community to make AACS a model of what God's love for others looks like. Now, please do not go into this summer with a sense of despair. With the combination of racial unrest and the current pandemic that we are in, that could be easy to do. But this end of year message is not meant to feed into that despair in any way. It is actually meant to bring hope. It is meant to bring hope that God has a plan and He knows what our school will look like when we return in the fall. I take great comfort in that fact. I am excited to tell you that work and planning has begun on what that return may look like. In whatever form our return may take in the fall, the safety and security of our students is our number one priority. Now, speaking of returning, you should have already received an email that outlines the details for our locker clean out for next week. I am so looking forward to having students and teachers back on campus, even if it is in an abbreviated, appropriate, and socially distanced manner. Students will also be able to pick up their yearbooks. Graduates will be able to get their diplomas, and other stations will be set up for students to drop off and/or collect other important items. Please look for and follow the specific instructions for these locker clean-out days. Now, as you go into the summer, please know that you are being prayed for and that the 2021 school year is already being covered in prayers. Have fun and enjoy the summer of 2020 to its fullest, and know that we are looking forward and we will be ready for everyone's return in whatever manner it may be this fall. And for the class of 2020, I just want to say congratulations. I'm not sure if you're still watching videos or reading your emails, but I just wanted to say that we are so proud of you and that we will miss you next year and that we are looking forward to hopefully having everyone back on campus on August 1st to celebrate your graduation. So everyone, please have a happy and safe summer, and I look forward to seeing all of you in person again, hopefully one day very soon. God bless.